To achieve this remarkable feat, they undergo physiological changes, such as shrinking their internal organs to reduce weight and increasing their fat stores for energy. Chapter 10. Our final high-flying bird is the white stork, a symbol of good luck and fertility in many cultures. These elegant birds are known for their long migrations between Europe and Africa, during which they can reach altitudes of up to 16,000 feet. Their distinctive black and white plumage and long legs make them easily recognizable, and their graceful soaring flight is a common sight in many parts of the world. Thank you for joining us on this high-flying adventure, exploring the awe-inspiring world of birds that conquer the skies. From the record-breaking heights of the Ruppel's griffon vulture to the epic migrations of the bar-headed goose, we've witnessed the incredible adaptations and unwavering determination that allow these creatures to thrive in some of the most extreme environments on Earth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content. Until next time, keep looking up.